Hi, I'm Mahesh, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about why Nirma is acquiring Glenmark Life Sciences. Before proceeding this video, I want to set up some context. Glenmark Life Sciences is a pharmaceutical company, and Nirma is a detergent company. And their tagline is washing powder Nirma. पहले इस्तेमाल करो फिर विश्वास करो. I know all of us heard this tagline. I guess so. If you're from India. So, what is the story? The story is buy. Nirma bought 75% stake in a listed entity called Glenmark Life Sciences, and it is now launched an open offer of further 70% of shares from public shareholders at the price of 631.20 rupees. Now there are two questions we need to ask addresses here. Why Nirma is getting into the pharma business, and where they are successful in their detergent making business, and what is the special about Glenmark Life Sciences? Why Nirma is going to buying why Nirma is going to buy Glenmark Life Sciences. Uh, See, first I'm going to give you the the little bit backstory about how Nirma was born. In 1970s in India, there back then there used to be Hindustan Unilever detergent powder, and that cost about back then 10 to 15 rupees. But back then India was not in a most of India's household is not a good situation to buy detergent at a cost of 10 to 15 rupees. So here the Gujarati chemist saw an opportunity, and name is Karsanbhai Patel. Uh, and he made without phosphorus detergent powder that cost 3 to 6 rupees, and that made him super successful because in the coming last just like two and a just like few years, just like few decades, they capture the 60% of entire detergent market. And now at this point of time, detergent market is very competitive, and Nirma has a good market share. So it was a roaring success. But over time, Nirma actually in 2020, 2004, Nirma already wanted to get uh, already get but over time, mm, it felt that they need to diversify their business as competition emerged. And in 2004, it tried replicate this formula, low budget consumer product formula, into a pharma company, but it didn't go well, and they soon realized that they people consider mm, people consider medicine as a different type of product. They are not consuming, uh, they're they're not consuming they are not consuming the health, they are not consuming the detergent kind of product. So after that Nirma company like slowed down their operations, and they invested in different diversified portfolio. Like they went into the cement industry. Now currently at this point of time, Nirma is India's fifth largest cement manufacturing. Also, it didn't go well. So I told you about Nirma's story. Now let's jump into the Glenmark's story. uh So I think we all of us know why we all of us know why a pharma company what pharma company make do. They simply sell they manufacture drugs and they sell drugs, right? So there are three ways to earn or to do business in the pharma sector. The first one is spend billions of dollars research and finding out the formula to make drugs, and then sell it, and and make licenses and all. And the second is you have to wait to expire the patent, whichever the products available in the market, and then reverse engineer those products and then sell it to the market. And the third is become a contract manufacturer for large pharma companies, right? And I mean, and you will help supply the active pharmaceutical ingredients for the pharma companies, large pharma companies. So there are three ways. uh, and so Glenmark Life Sciences mm, did the third, did the second model. They replicated it. They replicate the expired medicines, expired IP license businesses, and they sell it to the market, and they made profit. And also over time, they mastered the third business model, which is they are supplying active pharmaceutical ingredients to the large business to the large pharmaceutical companies. And here is a push into 2023, 2024, or 2020. From past few years, government is government is really determined to decrease on dependence on China in terms of active pharmaceutical ingredients like raw materials for making drugs for medicine. So in this field, the Glenmark licenses is already pioneer. So Nirma company, that's why Nirma company bought that's why Nirma company bought Glenmark Life Sciences. And the story is a little bit long. I'm not able to cover it fully. So it is detailed. It is all detailed. Okay, let's go. It is a detailed case study, but I told you in a nutshell. So I hope you have understood this. But if you are not, then it is my fault that I am not able to tell you in a proper manner. And also, currently